Before I start this video, I want to show you the bonsai we'll be selling online. Please visit our bonsaiheirloom.com site. The quantities will be very limited, and we will ship you as the orders come in and as we release them. So in a sense, get in line, the first come, first serve. I hope you will buy our tree because you can enjoy and pass on as an heirloom or as a gift. So please do visit our website. And if you do get our, I hope you can get our bonsai because it's very limited, and then I get to enjoy it. Thank you very much. I'm Miltonchang of Bonsai Heirloom. Today I will do the first seminar of the beginners tutorial series about every aspect about bonsai. So the title of today's seminar is Making Bonsai Compatible with Contemporary Lifestyle. I think it's essential for me to point that out because a lot of people are afraid of bonsai because they're busy, and yet in fact, the fact they're busy, they should really consider bonsai as a hobby. So I'll make my point a little bit later. But first of all, let's talk a little bit about what is bonsai. Bonsai to me, it's a living canvas where you make a bonsai tree to simulate the ideal ideal tree in nature that impresses you. It's your ideal tree. You made it into a pot, into a miniature form, to bring your ideal nature closer to home. So it could be a tree in your garden that you really love, or a heritage tree in your park, or for that matter, when you travel to Monterey, look at the cypress on the shoreline, and you want to duplicate that, you can duplicate that in a bonsai. So to me, it's a living campus to bring nature home. And if you think of it that way, it's an art, then by definition, art is free-flowing. Anything works so long as it's pleasing, has aesthetic value. And whereas bonsai in a traditional Japanese culture, it's a craft. In fact, in Japan, master bonsai masters are known, I refer to as a master or giant craftsman, master craftsman. And the point is that in that culture, bonsai is practiced as a craft. It's a very well-defined set of rules to achieve a very well-defined set of objectives. And that isn't exactly art. And I'm not by any means objecting to that, but it's just not art. And it's really admirable to see a tree that's so meticulously manicured over decades, many generations. It's really impressive. It shows you the human tenacity and perseverance. So that's something for us to learn from. And yet, I think in America, our busy lifestyle, bonsai should be an art, easygoing, anything goes, free-flowing, but creating nature to bring it home. So that's how I would like to promote bonsai. So, so there are many benefits of keeping bonsai. One of it is the cross-fertilization between gardening and houseplants and bonsai, because many of the things that can be naturally applied to bonsai, and I think the refinement, the fact there's so much detail that you have to pay attention to detail, so small, that many of what we learn can be applied back to the gardening to be beneficial. And also, pruning a miniature tree is no different from pruning a giant landscaping tree in your garden. So there's a lot of cross-fertilization that's very beneficial to have that as a hobby. That's just the beginning. There are many benefits. One of the benefits is that it's good for our mental health. It's really like medication where you have a moment of focus and concentration to work on your bonsai. Nonetheless, you can look at your watering, your pruning, your bonsai as a chore, or you can look at it as a moment of relaxation to really maintain our sanity. And that certainly was for me. I was working 24/7 and no vacation for 11 years. You know, for most people, you would have cracked. But for me, you know, I come home and when I have time on weekends, do a little bit of bonsai pruning. And I planted all my trees in the ground so that I don't have to hassle them. And as a result of the experimentation, now I have I have the lifestyle bonsai technique to share with you that requires very little time and you can still enjoy the relaxation. One of the side benefits of bonsai is a very thoughtful gift because very few gifts you can personalize to a person's interest. The wonderful thing is it becomes a constant reminder when the person takes care of the bonsai. So all in all, I think bonsai is a wonderful gift, mainly because it's a constant reminder of your thoughtfulness. I also think that the bonsai is a perfect family project. Just imagine you and your children working on several bonsai. It's a family project. It allows you a chance to interact, to share with them your wisdom, your point of view, and not only that, they learn responsibility. So for example, they may take on watering chores and caring, you know. I think it's wonderful for their psychological state to cope with the real world when they grow up. Now beyond that, how is that all that possible with a bonsai? I think it's in part due to Bonsai Heirloom's innovation. We are promoting it as a free-flowing art, not something to worry about following a set of rules, rigid rules. And second is that we implement the bonsai really well with our proprietary soil mix that retains water, moisture, and nutrients. And not only that, we have an innovation on the pot design with two designs that are patent pending to make maintenance of bonsai really easy to become heirloom in a sense of for longevity. And that's because we have a little retainer well inside the bonsai pot. When the bonsai root ball is dry out, which is very often happens because the root ball is very shallow, instead of water running out, it will be retained briefly in the bottom to suck up, to let the air fill in and let the tree grow healthily. So in fact, we have a way of putting the drainage holes at different locations, different height of the pot, to enable you to go on vacation, which is also compatible with American life. So with that in mind then, I hope you would look into our Bonsai Heirloom offering the first time. I'm sorry the trees are a little bit young, but the trees will get older every year, 1 year older, and eventually we're a very nice bonsai. So thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please click like and tell a friend. Subscribe to our channel and go to our website to send in your order for that matter, but also send in your email address for future announcements because each series of trees we offer will be very limited in quantity. Well, thank you very much and I see you next week. Oh, here's my friend.